warm wishes to one and all present here. Freedom in mind, faith in the birds, pride in our hearts, memories in our souls. On this great occasion of pride and honor, I take immense pleasure to wish you all a happy Independence Day. And we have Mr. T. Chitra Dey, who is a filmmaker, journalist, and social activist as our chief guest. Let's welcome him wholeheartedly. Before we go into today's proceedings, let us invoke the blessings of Lord Almighty to continue to govern and direct us towards His way and will. It is good that our country is considered as a God, and let us pray to the Bharata Samudaya. I request everyone to rise up for the prayer. School attention. Prayer song.